today's buys is a breakout.
Isn't it a breakout?
Yeah, but is that is that defined as a breakout versus this being in a sideways market versus this being heavily bullish?
Okay. Well, I'm trying to get it.
Does that make sense?
Not really, not yet really.
Okay, well, let me make it even simpler for you. If the market is trending down
Okay.
and then enters into a sideways moving market and
Okay.
then breaks out to the downside,
Okay.
we now have a market structure that is heavily bullish. We move sideways, but if we break out to the downside, then there is a much higher chance that price continues in the direction that it is currently going, right?
Yeah.
If the market breaks out to the upside in a heavily weighted bearish market,
Mm.
there is no significant evidence that there is a current or forming trend to the upside that adds an additional
Mm.
confluence to the buying opportunities. So this becomes less favorable. If the
Yeah, because you
market,
can go back up there and make a double top, right?
I don't know what it doesn't matter what it can do. The point is this, it's less favorable than the sells. But if the market is in an uptrend and it moves sideways and then it breaks out to
Okay.
the upside, then now the
Uh-huh.
breakout to the upside is more favorable because we have a heavily weighted bullish market with a
Mm.
bullish breakout in anticipation of a continuation of the current structure of the market. Versus
Mm.
if the market breaks out to the downside, it is less favorable because the only confluence that we have is a bearish candle close against a bullish structured market. Now, the
Mm.
breakout from yesterday was neither in a bullish or bearish sentiment, bullish or bearish market because of the massive gap that it formed. So it was neither weighted bearish or bullish. It was just singularly sitting in the middle of nowhere. So in an instance
Yeah.
like that, just because price breaks out to the upside, it doesn't make it a higher probability trade. And because it breaks out to the downside, it doesn't make it a higher probability trade. But now the structure of the market today has shifted heavily weighted bullish, and we have entered a sideways moving market again. But because we break out to the upside in a heavily weighted bullish market, then it makes it more favorable today to buy on the breakout than yesterday to buy on the breakout because the scenario is similar to this or identical to this.
Mm.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, 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 it does.
And that's what we're looking for, more favorable trades than unfavorable.